These are the last fit LED lights that I got from eBay. This LC6 style bulb. To install the LED headlights I bought from eBay, just remove the halogen bulb out. You just have to twist it off and break the seal, and then when you get the eBay ones, just put them in there, put some clear or a silicone sealant, and then it should be, let it dry for like 12 to 24 hours, and then it should be ready to go on the car. To remove the headlight, there's 2 torque screws, one up here and then one down underneath. Once you get the torque screws out, there's a little hook, hooks on one end, and then just unhook it and pull it, and it should just come right out, and the headlight just pops out. After you undo the bracket, unplug the connector for the headlight, and then just set the headlight aside. Once you get the bulb on in the bracket, tighten the top and the bottom screws, and then should be done.